Welcome to the By Manufacturers Direct YouTube Surface Preparation Learning Series, where today Josh demonstrates how to repair massive cracks and elevation inequalities within concrete. Trip hazards are commonly found in sidewalks and other pedestrian easements. While these threats seem daunting, with the right equipment, a complete repair is easier than you might think. Today, Josh is utilizing the AirTech ES200 scarifier to essentially level the two sides of the crack by cutting down the high side. While some concrete may require full removal and replacement, others can be improved by simply flattening the surface. This video shows an example of a slab that is heaved by a measurement of plus or minus 1 inch. The ES200 uses a drum with tungsten carbide cutters that vertically impact the surface. Once the bulk of the concrete is removed, a US Saws hand grinder with a diamond blade is utilized to further smooth the surface. This leaves Josh with a CSP number 2 profile and ready for a chemical restoration. This concludes this By Manufacturers Direct Learning Series segment. To learn more about any of the products used in today's video, please reach out to your By Manufacturers Direct customer support representative. And as always, if you found today's video informative, we invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and select the bell icon to be notified when we post a new video.